Good morning! Welcome back to another tutorial of me making a dahlia flower. So this is pretty much straightforward. I use my Cricut machine to design and cut out each petal. For those that do not have a machine, I recommend using a pattern and tracing that and using your scissors to cut it out. So anyways, at first here I started to do a whole bunch of them before and decided to put a clip in to show you guys how my machine works. If you all would be interested in buying one or getting one, you can message me for more information. I will not receive a commission from this. It would just be totally something that I would introduce you to pretty much. I really enjoy using my Cricut machine. It does cutting, writing. It can cut paper, different textures of paper, vinyl material, and wood. It has to be a special type of wood though. So anyways, so here I'm just cutting out my design that I want to use. You can use this specific design that I have. I will try to see if I can link some type of pattern in the description box below for you all. If not, then you can kindly message me and let me know if you'd be interested in getting all the right measurements and pattern. I'm still kind of all new to the YouTube thing, and so I'm not sure what all I can put on here. As far as I know, I think this pattern was a free pattern. So you can use like a round tip pattern instead of the pointy tip. So it all depends on the look that you're going for. So anyways, I need to get my drawing skills into action and make my own patterns, because I still had to go back and snip all the edges. You're gonna see that here in a little bit, that I had to go and cut maybe just a few inches, maybe half an inch or less, quarter of an inch, towards the middle of each petal, and that took a lot of time. But for this flower to be able to have dimension and look like a real flower, I had to snip that so that I can curl the petals better. And yeah, it was way easier to do it with snip ends. So this pattern here specifically wasn't the perfect pattern. Anyways, so as you can see here, I took my screwer and placed the pattern or the petal on around the screwer and kind of like twist it a little bit. And you might notice that your ends, or the ones towards the middle, might get a little bit torn. And that doesn't matter, because all of that will be covered up later on once you put the flower together. And so I wouldn't worry too much, but you still want to be careful. And if you over twist your flower petal, it's gonna tear. So you want to be careful with this step. And yeah, it's just, I did all of them like that, and after that I started from the biggest to the smallest, placing each one, how you'd say that, not in line with each other, but I can't think of the word right now, but anyways, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Just don't place them right directly on top of each other. Just use your imaginations and your craft skills, and yeah, try to make it as realistic as possible. I know in the picture these look rather big, but they're actually small. I think it was like 3.5 inches, I'm not sure, or 4 inches wide across. Anyways, so these were specifically made to be put on a cake. And if you would ever use these on cake, I recommend that you let the cake icing dry up and then apply your flowers. And also on the end, you're going to see that I added some real leaves. I personally prefer and recommend that my customers always use real leaves for paper flowers, especially. I feel like it gives it more realistic look. And oh, I have a sneeze coming. Allergies. Anyways, and it fills in the spaces more, and it gives you more to work with. So this specific customer, I sent real leaves for her, or I sent her order already, but closer to the time of the wedding or event that she wants to use these for, I'm gonna send real leaves that I have here in my yard. I have a huge tree, so whoever would want leaves to go along with their flowers, if you're interested in ordering, I can send those for you as well. So yeah, with all of that said, thank you all again for watching my videos, for subscribing. Remember, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video, so that it pops up every time on your phone. It notifies you every time I post a new video. So thanks a lot for y'all's support, and remember, keep following us on our stories on Facebook, and I am still thinking of a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Right now, with everything going on, I'm not sure how it's all gonna work out as far as getting my giveaway item to people that does not live in Toledo District, Belize. So yeah, we have a lot of things to think about and come up with, so stay tuned for that, and I'm still thinking about it. So yeah, thanks again everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. Bye.